Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to lock on another player. To lock on another player, press L2, L3, R3 simultaneously. Now you can pass to this player and then flick right analog to switch the player. Thanks to this function, you can, for a minute, change the player you are controlling to the player without the ball. So L3, R3, then switch the control, run, ask for pass, and then shoot. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.